Most emergency food tastes like flavored cardboard, but when the power goes out, calories are king. Today, we're testing the Millennium Bars and the SOS Ration Kit to see if these are actually edible or if they're just expensive bricks that's going to be sitting around in your bug out bag. Hello and welcome back to the Venerable channel. Today we're going to do some reviews of food bars that emergencykits.com had sent me, and you should see these scrolling on the sides of the screen right now. But erkits.com sells all these items. We'll be trying this one first, these two last. So first of all, I'm going to try ripping them open, because I kind of figured in an emergency situation you may not have a knife or a pair of scissors. Well, yeah, that's a little bit tough to open. So, yeah, trusty scissors. Note to self and you, the viewer. If you use these products, please try to make sure that you have a pocket knife or a pair of scissors. Alright. Here's what they look like. They come apart. So there's there's 6 bars into a pack. Now, as you can see on the screen, calories 400, and let me move a little bit closer. 410 calories per serving. So let's read this a little bit closer. Contents. Each packet of 6 fortified food bars provides 2,400 kcal, offers maximum survival capacity with drinking water restrictions under all environmental conditions. Directions. Eat 2 food bars per person per day. Replace within 5 years of the manufacturing date. The item that we will be testing, manufacturing date is September 2024. So, lay that right here. See if I can get into these, because I really want to know what they taste like. I don't think that I've tried these food bars from emergencykits.com. This isn't a paid review by no means. Oh gosh, that is rough to get into. All right, so once you get into them, it makes you think of like peanut butter candy, but it seems to be tough. Well, all right, not that tough. All right, we'll try it. I made a mess. Well, the taste is a little bit dry. It hasn't made me thirsty, and that's a good thing. It's fairly sweet. I would be okay with that if I had to eat this for a day or two. Again, the first one is the SOS Food Lab, which is sold by emergencykits.com. Get this out of the way. Let's try the Millennium Raspberry. We'll try this one. See if I can open it without a pair of scissors. No. Scissors it is. Ollie, it is a job, and I have to get into some of these. Okay, just by looking at it, it looks the same as the item we just tested. Just looking at it. You can break it off pretty easy. I straight up like this taste a lot better. And you can actually taste raspberry in it. So far, I prefer this one over this one. Now, the next one be the new Millennium Energy Bar coconut flavor. I'm not even going to try to tear this open. I don't see anywhere that it's meant for you to tear it. So, we'll just go ahead and use the scissors. Well, again, it looks the same as the other two. Easy to break off a piece. Let's try it. You can taste the coconut, but it's pretty faint. So, if I were wanting to put together my own emergency kit for food, I would definitely pick these two over this one. Just because of the flavor. I mean, don't get me wrong. This is totally edible. But to me, the flavor just wasn't there. This one is my favorite flavor, as opposed to this one. But you don't want to have the same flavor over and over if you're having to eat these things, for 2, 3, 4 days in a row. However, I would choose this one over this one any day. So, we'll go through the emergencykits.com website just briefly, and you guys can see some of the emergency backpacks in which they sell. Go ahead and take a look around their website. If you do end up ordering something from them, tell them that you saw their reviews on venerableowl.com's YouTube channel. Have you guys ever ordered from either of these companies? If you have, let me know in the comment section below. But again, these two are definitely my favorite. Remember, you're an asset when you become prepared for emergency, natural, and man-made disasters. Be prepared, get proper training, and learn new skills. Visit us on the web at www.venerableowl.com. Thank you for watching.